Ay, nood ka. Dong, no? Wow! Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. Gusto mo kasama si Dodong, ha? Ayun, look. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda, oh. Ito yung towel. Oh, ito yung towel. Umiiyak siya. Oh, okay lang. May oras pa para bumalik. Gusto mo kasama si Dodong?
Ito, Dodong!
Ginawa! Wala!
Pag-iyakin.
Ay, so,
Your moments soon will come. All the stars around you, just to show you that you're one. Singing, oh, sounds inviting you to stay. All the stars around you, be together. That's the way of singing. Oh, sparks in every room.
patahigin mo na yan si Dodong. Maganda yan eh.
Sparks on every way. Breathe, your moments soon will come. All the stars around you, just to show you that you're one. Singing, oh, sounds inviting you to stay. All the stars around you, be together. That's the way of singing. Oh, sparks in every mood, sparks in every day, sparks on every way. Oh, sparks in every mood, sparks in every day, sparks on every way.
Hi guys! It's Gcash time! So ngayon guys, meron akong bagong nilalaro na pwede kong i-introduce sa inyo para lang to sa mga gustong maglibang katulad ko. So ito guys ang PH MOBA. Yan. So unang-una ang gagawin ninyo, i-click nyo lang yung link dyan sa comment section down below and magre-register na po kayo. Pagka-register nyo po, ayun, pwede na po kayong makapaglibang katulad ko. So, ngayon naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga pwede nyong laruin dito. Katulad ng Super Ace. Ayan guys, Super Ace ang nilalaro ko dito na pwede nyo rin pong masubukan. Okay, papakita ko na sa inyo guys. Oh my gosh, nakita nyo yun guys, 620 pesos. 800 pesos! OMG, 2,400 pesos. Nakita niyo yun? Okay. OMG, 1,000 doon. Oh my God, 3,600! So guys, nakita niyo yun? Dahil nanalo na ako ng 3,000 mega, tapos may pa-additional pa, kumalma na ako. So, kung gusto niyo maglibang katulad ko, you know what to do. Bye guys! I hope nag-enjoy kayo.